Hey guys, today we have this Ancel multi-system scanner LD700, which is only for professional tool for Jaguar Land Rover vehicles. So let's open this up, we'll see what it can do. We'll be trying it on our 2009 Land Rover Range Rover right here. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, so this one, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. This one said it do have service reset, throttle adaptation, EPB reset, and if you go here, read fault codes, special functions, view special functions, read codes, regular OBD. And I know this one, we'll see if we can read the our Range Rover. This other brother he has another Ancel. It's a regular OBD, but it will not read it at all. So let's go ahead and hook this up. Let's get the key. Yeah, you need a special scanner to read these certain cards right here. So, and we tested the other one that doesn't read anything. It says no fault codes. So let's go ahead, plug it in. There you go, power up, very good. The ignition on. I'm gonna go ahead and roll the window down because it's pretty hot. Alright, there you go. Okay, let's see what does it have. From here it has the, of course, the OBD2, and for the JLR, Jaguar Land Rover, it does have an oil reset. Let's go. So this one has a left and right, up and down. It's pretty good. It has a nice grip, not too big for the hand. EPB reset, battery. Let's check the battery. Look at that. Please turn engine off. It's 11 volts right now. Start detection, okay. Let's get start detection. Just press OK. Then start the engine. Let's go ahead and start the engine. Okay. There you go. That's a 14 volts in there. 1398. That's pretty good. Just press OK. So that's pretty good. Found our battery. It's in a good condition. BMS reset, ETC reset. I'm not gonna do communicating. I'm not gonna do this. Just everything is okay with my car. Let me just go back. Let's see. Oil reset. Let me see how it works. Press OK. Think. Not sure if it's doing its job right now. Service interval. Let's see. The oil is there, but I'm not due yet. Let me just try it. If I make sure the ignition is switched on, engine off, and the vehicle voltage can't be below 12 volts. That's fine. It's already 12 volts. It's close to 12 volts. Press OK. Communicating. Set the ignition switch to off position. It's off. Press OK. Please wait while the module initializes. Okay. So it's initializing right now. No lights, engine off. So this one says complete. Press OK. Set the ignition switch to on position. So let's switch to on. Press OK. Set the ignition to off position. press OK. Module initializing again. Everything is off. It says complete. Press OK. Switch on. Press OK. Procedure successful. Okay, escape. So that's how that's pretty easy. That's easy to follow. Let's go check the JLR. Please wait 1 minute after ignition. Feedback. Okay. Automatic search. So we're in ignition on. Everything's on. I know there's no engine light here, but I know I have some codes. So that's my car. System scan. Let's just go. What is special function? Now let's go system scan first. So scanning. There you go. I know I have some fault codes here. There you go. Seeing a bunch of things. My amplifier I think is messed up, so I'm gonna fix that. I might see something here. So there you go. Got 37 modules. 26. There you go. See a couple things here. Click that one, read fault code. This one is saying fault code has not been found in database. But the PCM, that's the PCM. And then we got a TCM. Read fault codes not found in database. But it does just say I have a fault codes there. Instrument cluster, let's press OK with that. Read fault codes. Not found in the database. Okay, it just tells you what fault codes, but it doesn't go all the way into it. This one is audio front control module. With fault code, see, not in the database. Okay, but at least you have an idea. Not too bad. Let's go back. Escape. Okay, let's go special function. What does it have? Okay, reset. Electronic parking brake. There you go. Look at that. Steering, air suspension. Suspension system height calibration, air suspension. What is this one? Reset. The deflation. A couple things. Brake bleed and some body. What is the body? Oh, running board. Okay. Control the running board. Let's just press OK. Tire pressure monitoring. Replacing when you're replacing your tire pressure. Steering. That's for the steering angle sensor reset, I believe. Okay, this is not. That's pretty good for detecting for your car, specifically for JLR. Not too bad. Here you go, guys. Of course, OBD. Let's see. This is just a regular OBD. Scan. I don't think we're gonna see anything here. Okay, not gonna see anything here. Okay, but this is pretty good, guys. Not too bad. I might use it for emergency. I will leave this in the car. If you need anything, I'll just leave it specifically for this car. Alright guys, I hope you like that one. Till next time, I'm gonna have more video about this Range Rover that we have. Got plenty of things to do here. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share. Thank you guys.